If you don't have that and you still wanna test it, great way is to do it with Perplexity. Perplexity, or you can also do it with some of the cloud vendors like either Azure. Microsoft has been offering it. Um, it was fun that at the same day that Microsoft said that they were investigating whether they have misused OpenAI's models, the same day they announced that it was available on their cloud, right? But in Perplexity, you will use it on Perplexity. You won't have some of the censorship issues. So they have even tested this prompts about Tiananmen Square and stuff like that. If you do it in Perplexity, it's not censored, at least not the obvious stuff, right? And in Perplexity, you can test it very simply. Let me just show it to you because it's you're here in Perplexity. You can do it with a pro account, or I'm here in a pro account, or you can also do it in a regular account. So let's say this prompt here on vaccinations, you will do pro, and you can have here R1. You can test this on a free Perplexity account. It doesn't need to be on the pro one. I'm doing it on a pro, but it's also available to free users. In the case that you're using from a free account, it's is going to be limited to a few prompts every few hours. Okay, so that's the only thing that it's going to have. But you have here the answer, you have the sources. So the way that Perplexity shows you the information, you can also, as a good method to have a stronger prompt, in the prompt you can say that it goes to only strong, reputable academic papers as sources. So you can also do that and be a little bit more covered. So questions, we love to have your questions, and we love to have you join the community. This is what we do every month on testing the models and showing to you, so you don't have to be testing every single model out there. Our community, it's hosted on NAS. It's called Gecko AI Masters. It's a subscription community that is cost $25 a month. I would love for you guys to come, and this is a code that you can put it so you can have a free month and check us out and participate in some of the upcoming courses. And but in the meantime, let me take some questions and or comments from some of you.